like with the meat in it.
It's in the cooler, man.
Let's go get it.
Probably in the van here.
Oh yeah, put it in the van too.
Let me give you the key, hold on.
The van's locked, right?
That's the biggest fire. Going through your
Not as much. I think I'm starting to be like Jose.
What?
I think I'm starting to be like Jose.
Oh.
Taking a video. I mean, this is only for the camping, that's all.
Jose Torres? Or you take videos a lot?
Today and yesterday, yeah. Mostly today.
If I had a phone, then I would have taken videos.
Talking about Jose.
What about Jose?
You take videos a lot?
Yes.
True.
When me and him and Roberto are like together, no homo, we just chilling.
Okay, no
He has to
homo.
take a video.
You say with me, him, and Patio, Roberto, or together, don't say together, but like I'm gonna say me. Like this. Me and Greg and Justin were together today. No, okay. Me, Greg, and Justin were chilling today. Feel me?
Yeah.
I just short the word. You're gonna avoid saying no homo. Yeah, I would say the more. Yeah, me and him was together.
The hell? That's my word.
Isn't it cool that fire is basically invisible?
Huh?
Fire is like...
Yeah.
Angel! What's fire?
It's a dry, hot.
No, like, but I'm saying like... Is fire its own category? What? Is fire its own category?
It's an element.
Yes.
As in, is it a solid, liquid, or gas?
Yeah.
Is it gas? I mean, if it was a gas...
Because if it's...
Whatever.